Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Well, how do you grow tomatoes in your home backyard greenhouse? Well, of course, you can use PVC pipe or you can use some steel to make your frame. A lot of folks just use a good PVC plastic. Some, of course, people will use glass and get very intricate. You can spend a bunch or you can keep it pretty simple. A lot of folks just like the idea of having like a Quonset hut type system. Remember, of course, tomatoes don't like cold. In fact, if you go out and whisper, cold is coming, they have problems. And that's where having a little backyard greenhouse can really make the difference in protecting your cold-sensitive plants. Tomatoes are cold sensitive. So that is the beauty of having some type of structure. It doesn't have to be really elaborate. You do want to make sure you can help save some of that radiant heat. And of course, if you have your covers going all the way to the ground, you'll hold that heat longer than if you just have it up to a side. Do remember, of course, you're going to build up a lot of heat. In summertime, you're going to probably have to have some way of exhausting some of that heat with some type of a fan or removing the sides so that air can flow through. Greenhouses are great. They can help extend your season and they can help get your tomatoes through during those cooler times. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm DeFreitas.